Hello students, welcome to maths class. Under the topic profit and loss, we have done introduction to find profit and loss, to find profit percent and loss percent. Today we are going to discuss to find SP when profit or loss and CP is given, to find CP when profit or loss and SP is given. To start with today's questions, let's recall the formulas of profit and loss. If SP is greater than CP, profit is equal to SP minus CP. If CP greater than SP, then loss is equal to CP minus SP. So let's start with the first example. Here statement is, if SP is rupees 150 and loss is rupees 30, find CP. Here we have given SP 150, loss rupees 30. We need to find CP. Students, in these type of questions, we either use the formula of profit or loss. Whatever is given to us, we will apply the formula of that. Here firstly we will write whatever is given and what we need to find. We have given SP is equal to rupees 150, loss is equal to rupees 30. We need to find CP. So CP is equal to question mark. In this question we have given loss. So we will apply the formula of loss to solve this question. We know loss is equal to CP minus SP. After that, substitute the values. Loss rupees 30 is equal to CP we need to find minus SP is rupees 150. Always remember that cost is always positive. Whenever there is a minus sign with the cost, shift it towards the another side. So here minus 150 will shift towards the left hand side. It will change into plus. So rupees 30 plus rupees 150 is equal to CP. 30 plus 150 comes out to be rupees 180 is equal to CP is your required answer. Let's move towards second example. Here we have given SP rupees 200, profit rupees 50. We need to find CP. So firstly we will write down whatever is given and what we need to find. SP is equal to rupees 200, profit is equal to rupees 50, CP is equal to question mark that we need to find. Students, in this question we have given profit, so we will apply the formula of profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. After that, substitute the values. Rupees 50 is equal to SP rupees 200 minus CP. Here we will use shifting 2 times. Firstly we will shift minus CP towards the left hand side. It will be changes to plus. And we need to find CP. So we will shift 50 towards the right hand side. It will be changes to minus. After applying the shifting rules, we will get CP is equal to rupees 200 minus rupees 50. It comes out to be CP is equal to rupees 150. That is the required answer. Here in this example we have given CP rupees 450, profit rupees 40. We need to find SP. So firstly we will write down whatever is given and what we need to find. We have given CP is equal to rupees 450, profit is equal to rupees 40, SP is equal to question mark that we need to find. Here in this question we have given profit, so we will apply the formula of profit. And we know profit is equal to SP minus CP. After that we will substitute the values. Profit rupees 40 is equal to SP we need to find minus CP rupees 450. Here we need to find SP, so we will shift minus 450 towards the left hand side and it will be changes to plus. After shifting we get rupees 40 plus rupees 450 is equal to SP. Rupees 40 plus rupees 450 comes out to be rupees 490 is equal to SP is our required answer. Let's move towards one more example. Here CP is 180, loss is rupees 20, we need to find SP. We have given CP is equal to rupees 180, loss is equal to rupees 20, SP is equal to question mark that we need to find. Here in this question we have given loss, so we will use the formula of loss. We know loss is equal to CP minus SP. On substituting the values, loss rupees 20 is equal to CP rupees 180 minus SP. Here again we will use shifting 2 times. Minus SP will be changes towards the left hand side. It will be shifted and changes to plus. After that 20 will be shifted towards the right hand side. After shifting we get SP is equal to rupees 180 minus rupees 20. SP is equal to rupees 180 minus rupees 20 comes out to be rupees 160 is your required answer. Now students, I hope you have understood how to find SP or CP whenever in the question we have given profit or loss with SP or CP. Now you are able to do the related work which we have sent to you in a snap homework. Thank you students.